day for Wonderworks. Yeah!
We're having the time of our lives. I feel so blessed to be here, surrounded by amazing, happy people. Pittsburgh Wonderworks is awesome, guys. Come back to Pittsburgh. I've had a
Best weekend I've had in a while, so we're having a lot of fun.
Wonderworks. 6-hour drive, totally worth it.